This smart interior door handle is an interesting solution. It's convenient for children, people with disabilities, and the elderly. The trick is in the patented AnyLock technology. Thanks to it, the handle will last for generations, and the lock won't get jammed. The shape of the handle is based on the long-term study of palms, and not in vain, the product was acknowledged at the Good Design Award in South Korea. According to the creators, these handles are also safer in case of an emergency. During fires, handles get hot and can't be used, but you can push the Milda handles with any object to open the door. The price for this product starts at $50. A transport platform for heavy loads. The makers of this engineering marvel write modestly. It offers 198,416 pounds of payload, up to 98 feet in length, accuracy up to plus or minus 1.2 inches, and a simple remote control. And thanks to the KUKA navigation solution, the platform can navigate on its own, even without markings, and can move independently in all directions. On top of that, you can choose from 10 versions, and then supplement them with the necessary modules for specific tasks. The first example of underwater agriculture with terrestrial plants, says the team of this unique project. Structurally, these are 6 special spheres that are located on the seabed near the Italian coast. The spheres float at depths ranging from 15 to 36 feet, and over 600 crops grow in them. The system is self-sufficient. It uses solar power and desalinates seawater. Strawberries, tomatoes, zucchini, and herbs have been grown here successfully. The project was created in 2012, but it was hit by a major hurricane in 2019. Then the pandemic broke out, and the plants were left unattended for a while. Fortunately, the team resumed work in 2021, and that's great, because there are no other systems like this in operation in the world. How often do we think about how effectively we breathe? According to its manufacturers, this gadget will teach you to maximize every breath and will come in handy for athletes, diving enthusiasts, and even members of brass bands. 30 repetitions are enough for an effective workout. That's about 4 to 5 minutes. The manufacturers say that it will strengthen your lungs, your diaphragm, and some other muscles. The benefits can be seen in everyday life as well. In addition, the gadget is compact, will easily fit in a bag or backpack, and is made of silicone rubber. Besides, the commercial featured Bas Rutten, a former kickboxer from the Netherlands and UFC heavyweight champion. The price for the device is $69. Almost anyone who's ever tried to type a long text on a smartphone or tablet will tell you that it's not very practical. Although these devices provide such an option, they lack in typing comfort and speed. The solution is this unusual keyboard. The creators promise that after training, your typing speed will be only 20% slower than on a conventional keyboard. Training and getting used to it takes about 10 hours. The keyboard is arranged as follows. The main keys of the usual QWERTY keyboard are located under the left hand, while the less important keys are under the right hand. Moreover, the keys are located on the back of the device, and the user sees only semi-transparent icons. The designers went on Kickstarter in search of funding, but did not reach their goal, probably because of the $250 price tag. Going camping means not only fresh air and leisure, you also need to find a way to get everything you need there. For example, in many campsites, car traffic is limited and many beaches are not accessible by car. Fortunately, new inventions keep appearing every day, and this electric monowheel is the next big idea. The model is perfect for transporting things off-road and will hold 200 pounds of cargo. The innovative design allows you to store part of your load inside the wheel, while the top part can be used as a table. The debris-resistant rolling feature will protect it from twigs, rocks, and sand, and the wheel is made of special foam, so it weighs only 25 pounds when empty. The price is planned to be set at around $300. Kickstarter backers liked this project so much that, with a $10,000 goal, it raised almost $650,000. The post-pandemic era has come to light, and many have made plans to return home, visit family and friends, continue business trips, or go on to new adventures, the manufacturers write. They offer a transformer suitcase that will help you during your short business trips or long travels. The suitcase is so strong that a person can easily stand on it. During tests, it survived a drop from a height of 35 inches, and the wheels rolled for 10 miles without breaking. The key feature is the quick size changes, offering heights of 16, 22, and 26 inches, and the optional packing cube set helps you pack in a safe and smart way, so you don't have to unpack half your suitcase looking for a spare shirt. The price tag is $240. The future is at your fingertips. The creators of these prosthetics write, the author came up with this idea while still at school, and today he offers a finished product that's interesting for more than one reason. First, an incredible level of customization is available. Size, color, and other details can be chosen at home, as the company is willing to send the proper equipment. Second, an array of 36 ultra-precise sensors provides 360-degree coverage, and the TrueSense technology makes wearing it as comfortable as possible. And third, the company works without intermediaries and offers a 30-day trial, clinical support, and personalized pricing. As some publications write, you can buy this prosthesis for $8,000. This development is no less useful. It helps to clean bodies of water and also make them look nicer. After all, according to WHO statistics, the cause of about 80% of diseases in the world is contaminated water. These floating islands are used in many countries around the world, and there are two types of them, dry and wet. The difference lies in the plants. In the first case, they will not be in contact with water, which allows to grow larger specimens. When properly located, these islands serve as shelter for fish and birds, as well as to help stabilize the ecosystem of the reservoir. One of the island's most unusual components is coconut fiber. Farmers in southern Bangladesh have been growing vegetables this way for hundreds of years, notes one viewer. Next up on the list is a super weapon that can actually penetrate steel and concrete. However, it's not made for the military, but for firefighters and rescuers. This water lance produces a pressure of 1,000 pounds per square inch, enough to pierce through a concrete block in a couple of seconds, and effectively extinguish the flames with a water mist. On top of that, the technology saves water. 20 gallons per minute is enough to extinguish a fire, whereas conventional methods consume about 120. And considering that new fire trucks are expensive, for example, they cost about $750,000 in the States, there is another huge advantage. This system can be easily installed on even an ordinary pickup truck. Remember when in Futurama the main character was surprised when he saw transport tubes? Well, the future is already here. Everyone can buy this product. So far, it can only be installed in houses, but it is the world's only elevator system that uses pneumatic technology. The designers point out that their solution is cheaper in comparison with usual elevators, and it also works smoother. Available models have a capacity for up to 3 people, and a special version for wheelchairs. The maximum capacity is 525 pounds. During the ride, you'll be able to enjoy a 360-degree view, and the installation will take only 2 to 3 days. Not even a separate engine room is needed. Besides, the elevator is compatible with smart home systems, and it can run on solar power. What do you think this material does, which resembles either gum or Play-Doh? It is a universal helper in repair and construction. A self-setting rubber with a number of interesting properties. After you take it out of the package, the material stays elastic for about half an hour. Then it hardens, and within 12 to 24 hours, it becomes stiffer, resembling rubber, but retaining its damping properties. In addition, the material adheres well and holds firmly, is resistant to boiling water, and is dishwasher safe. Withstands temperatures from -76 to +356 degrees Fahrenheit, and doesn't conduct electricity. And there are plenty of applications, from repairing broken objects to creating convenient handles and patches.